The year 2025 has brought forward a revolutionary development in kitchen technology, the electric stove powered by battery. In an era where energy efficiency, portability, and sustainability are becoming increasingly important, this invention has changed the way we view cooking appliances. Traditional electric stoves required continuous electrical grid connections, while gas stoves relied on fossil fuels. But with battery-operated electric stoves, cooking has now become mobile, renewable, and grid-independent. This innovation is a major leap toward off-grid living, emergency solutions, and sustainable cooking in both rural and urban areas. What is a battery-powered electric stove? A battery-powered electric stove is a cooking appliance that operates using stored electrical energy in a rechargeable battery, rather than being directly plugged into a power socket or gas supply. It looks and works like a conventional electric stove, but is self-contained with a built-in or attachable battery pack. Operates without grid electricity. Runs on rechargeable lithium-ion or solar-charged batteries. Portable and lightweight. Offers multiple heat settings and smart control. Can charge via solar panels, power banks, or wall sockets. History and invention, 2025. The concept of battery-powered stoves has existed for small outdoor camping stoves. However, 2025 marked the first successful release of a full-sized, home-usable electric stove powered entirely by batteries. Leading innovators. Tesla Home Appliances unveiled a battery stove that charges via home solar panels. EcoFlame Incorporated, a startup based in Germany that launched a portable battery-operated induction stove. Panasonic and LG developed hybrid models combining solar and battery charging. Why 2025? Major advancements in battery capacity and charging speed. Lower costs of lithium-ion and graphene batteries. Increasing demand for off-grid and disaster-ready solutions. Global focus on sustainability and carbon-neutral kitchens. How does it work? The battery-powered electric stove includes high-capacity battery pack. Usually lithium-ion or LiFePO4. Stores between 1,000 to 3,000 watt-hours of energy. Can power the stove for 1 to 5 hours depending on usage. Electric heating element. Uses resistance or induction coil to generate heat. Heat is transferred directly to cookware. Smart control system. Regulates power usage. Includes temperature sensors and safety shutoffs. Charging port. Can be charged via wall adapter, solar panel, or even car outlet. Some advanced models come with USB ports, touchscreens, and Bluetooth apps for energy monitoring.